We're gonna start it right quick, since I got some gas and a good battery in it. Starts pretty easy. Drove it through the mud, played in the mud a little bit, through my mud hole. There she is.